Hey fam, here's another tool that I wanted to share with you. So, we are in the business of helping businesses. So, I wanted to share a tool with you that'll help you find small businesses, but also give you an opportunity to kind of sort and decide what types of businesses you want to help. So, and I'll have a link in this down at the bottom for you. At any rate, so here we go. It's called the um, Dynamic Small Business Search. I'll leave the link and it's with the SBA. So let's say you want to help businesses in your state. I'm going to go to Guam. So I'm going to pick Guam. And then you can also pick by the area code and so forth and so on. So now let's say I'm interested in helping veteran owned small businesses and um, service disabled small businesses, right? So I'm going to click on that. You have the choice to pick 8A, and I think those are the ones that are that requires a special certification. But here are economically disadvantaged women-owned small businesses. So I'll pick this one, and you can pick whether they're have an active certification or a previous certification. I'm just going to pick active certification. And then you can go down here and you can sort by any minority owned. And then you don't have to pick a next code, and that's the code of what type of business it is. So let's see what comes up. I'm going to scroll all the way down, and you can look at all of these for yourself later. Scroll all the way down, all the way down. And then down here is where you want to click search using this criteria. Okay, and of course, nothing comes up. Let's go back. It says, so I'm going to refine my search. And let's just say I'm going to do a reset and clear. And I'm going to go all the way back up. And I'm just going to pick businesses in Guam. And I'm going to pick, I'm going to leave the other stuff blank because sometimes it'll just not be friendly. Um, let's say any minority owned. And then I'm going to go down and do search using this criteria. And then it gives you all of the businesses that are currently active in your location. So if you look up here, now these are the number of businesses that we can service, y'all. So um it says so from 1 to 25, and then there are 317 small businesses here. And you can look and see, small business is relative, but look at all of these businesses and let's just click on one of them. And it tells you also here what their capabilities are. It tells you what they do, landscaping, ground maintenance, and so forth. So I'm going to click on Guam Tropical Landscaping Incorporated. Now, it gives you information about the business, and these are all businesses registered with the SBA, and some of them are registered in sam.gov, so they do government contracting as well. The way that you can tell, so here's the business's UEI number, and then you can also see their cage code down at the bottom. So what this tells you is that the business is registered in SAM. They can do government contracting, but also they do other business. It also gives you the um, email address of the contact person. Now that's really helpful, and the phone number. That's really helpful because if you want to email these businesses with some of your marketing strategies, you know exactly what it is that they need, how they're marketing, or what they're marketing for. It tells you all of their certifications, and then it also gives you information. This is really helpful. Their primary function is landscaping services, but they're also capable of doing these other things. Um, the business type. 35% of their business is construction, 65% service. It tells you their bonding levels, if that's important to you, but it also gives you an idea of what their performance history is. So that can be helpful when setting budgets and things like that. So I just thought that this would be helpful to find small businesses since we are in the market of helping businesses. And yeah, so there you go. Just wanted to share that with y'all. Talk to you soon.